This weekend, a breathtaking celestial display might grace the skies. The Aurora Borealis, more commonly known as the Northern Lights. This captivating phenomenon, typically seen in high-latitude regions, has the potential to paint the night sky with vibrant hues of green, pink and purple. A recent powerful solar flare has increased the likelihood of witnessing this spectacle further south than usual, offering a rare opportunity for those residing in the northern United States to catch a glimpse. The Aurora Borealis, often described as a celestial ballet of light, has captivated sky watchers for centuries. This weekend's potential aurora display is particularly special due to the recent eruption of a powerful solar flare, a massive burst of energy from the sun. This surge of charged particles, known as solar wind, interacts with Earth's magnetic field, triggering the dazzling light show we call the Aurora. So, if you're up for an astronomical adventure, keep your eyes peeled for the Northern Lights this weekend.
The mesmerizing dance of the Northern Lights is a testament to the interconnectedness of our solar system. It begins with the sun, a giant ball of hot gas undergoing constant nuclear reactions. These reactions release an immense amount of energy, some of which is carried towards Earth in the form of solar wind. Solar wind consists primarily of charged particles, mainly electrons and protons, traveling at incredible speeds. When these particles reach Earth, they encounter our planet's protective shield, the magnetosphere. However, some of the charged particles manage to penetrate the magnetosphere, especially near the poles where the magnetic field lines converge. As these particles collide with atoms and molecules in Earth's upper atmosphere, they transfer energy, causing the atmospheric gases to become excited. The color of the emitted light depends on the type of gas involved and the altitude at which the collision occurs.
The intensity and frequency of the Aurora Borealis are directly linked to the sun's activity. The sun goes through an 11-year cycle of activity, with periods of high and low activity marked by the number of sunspots, solar flares, and other solar events. Sunspots are cooler, darker regions on the sun's surface that are associated with intense magnetic activity. Solar flares are sudden bursts of energy released from the sun's surface, often associated with sunspots. When a powerful solar flare erupts, like the one that occurred recently, it sends a surge of charged particles racing towards Earth. This surge intensifies the solar wind, leading to a higher probability of auroral displays at lower latitudes. So, keep your eyes on the skies this weekend. The sun's fiery performance might just treat us to an unforgettable show of celestial lights.
Witnessing the Aurora Borealis is a truly awe-inspiring experience, and while its appearance can be unpredictable, there are ways to increase your chances of catching this celestial spectacle. The key is to maximize your odds by considering location, timing, and staying informed about geomagnetic activity. The Aurora Borealis is most commonly observed at high latitudes, closer to Earth's magnetic poles. However, during periods of heightened solar activity, the auroral oval can expand southward, making it visible at lower latitudes. Seek out locations with minimal light pollution, away from city lights for optimal viewing conditions. The aurora is typically most active and visible within a few hours on either side of midnight, when the sky is at its darkest. Check the lunar calendar as well, as a full moon can wash out the aurora's subtle light.
Successfully viewing the Aurora Borealis requires more than just being in the right place at the right time. It demands patience, preparation, and a bit of luck. Here are some essential tips to maximize your chances of witnessing and capturing the magic of the Northern Lights. 1. Embrace the darkness. Find a location far from city lights, where light pollution won't obscure the subtle hues of the aurora. Rural areas, open fields, and lake shores often provide ideal viewing conditions. 2. Check the forecast. Stay updated on geomagnetic activity and aurora forecasts. Websites and apps like spaceweather.com and the Aurora Forecast app provide real-time information on auroral activity and visibility. 3. Dress warmly. Aurora viewing often involves spending extended periods outdoors in cold, possibly damp conditions. Dress in layers of warm, waterproof clothing to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable experience. 4. Be patient. The aurora can be fickle, appearing and disappearing unexpectedly. Settle in, be patient, and enjoy the serenity of the night sky.
The opportunity to witness the Aurora Borealis is a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. It's a chance to connect with something far greater than ourselves, to experience the raw power and beauty of nature on a cosmic scale. As we gaze up at the dancing lights of the Aurora, we're reminded that we're part of something much larger than our everyday lives. We're part of a universe teeming with energy, constantly evolving and changing, full of mysteries yet to be uncovered. So this weekend, take some time to step outside, look up at the night sky, and let yourself be awestruck by the celestial display that might unfold.